I'm going to show you a strategy that allowed me to catch this massive trade with a risk to reward ratio of 12.03. So for this strategy to work, the first indicator that we want to add, I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. Type in sessions on the indicators and it's sessions on chart. I've changed the colours to a faint grey, but this grey area here from start to finish represents the London and the New York session. For this method we are only going to be taking trades during London and New York. For the main indicator we're going to use, we're going to go up to indicators, type in cloud, and it is the best cloud all MA. Now for this strategy to work, all we are going to be doing is trading only during the London to New York session in this grey zone here. All we're going to be doing is taking these triangles. All we have to do is wait for that candle to close to make sure that the triangle is locked in. So we wait for this candle to close and we'd enter on the start of this candle. We put our stop loss to the recent swing low, which is there. There's a couple different ways that you can do a take profit. You can either have a set take profit of 2 for the risk to reward. The second option is you wait for a triangle in the opposite direction, or the third option, if you don't get a red triangle, is to hold it until the end of this session and then close your trade. This trade would have been a risk to reward ratio of 7.12, which is pretty amazing. Now do remember there definitely are some choppy days in the market. You will get that with any strategy. As long as you are only risking 1% per trade, you will be absolutely fine with this strategy because the losses are only 1% max, but the profits are absolutely huge. This day isn't amazing, but if we come to the following day, and you can see that this trade did very, very well. So even though we lost 1% in the morning, our second trade that we would have held until the end of the session had a risk to reward ratio of 11.06. So like I said, there are definitely choppy trades with this, and there are definitely choppy trades. Not every single day in the market is a winning day. No strategy is perfect, but the wins absolutely outweigh the losses with this strategy. So I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see the results. So you can see over 100 trades with an initial account balance of $5,000. Although there was only a 38% win rate, we did go up 185% with an average risk to reward of 8.48, which is pretty amazing. We did have some stale points during the trading where there weren't many wins. There definitely are some huge spikes where the wins were massive. But we started the account with $5,000 and it went to $14,518. But thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content, and I'll see you in the next upload.